having a spot-free rinse not only is a time saver because you just get to rinse your car and drive off, but it's also a much safer way to treat your final rinse during the washing process. It saves by not having to touch your car as much with a drying towel, and also reduces the chance for getting water spots. So the dual bed deionizer system that we have here is a very effective, very efficient use of a deionizer system. The way it works is they take two different resins and they split them into two different tanks. With the dual bed system, you're not going to replace your resin as often, saving you time in the long run. If you're not replacing your resin as much, you're not buying as much resin. But Atlas Polishes still offers a mixed bed system. It's a little bit more convenient to move around, and it also has bypass valves on top. So you as a consumer can control when you're using hard water or not. With the dual bed system, you don't have a bypass valve. What you can do is you can buy a Y splitter for your spigot at your house, and off one Y split, you can have a standard garden hose. Now on the other side of the Y split, you can have your dual bed system hooked up to that. So if you use a Y splitter, you can isolate not only the hard water, but also the DI water that creates the spot-free rinse.